Attractive stimulation. Attraction. The quality or features of something or someone that evokes the liking, desire, or interest. Most men are typically attracted to the physical features of a woman, but mine is much deeper. Identify my language. Touch me with your individuality. Enlighten me. Instruct me on how to be familiar with your likes and your dislikes. Then gently tickle me with your point of view. And caress my thoughts as you allow me to trace your opinions with my intellectual erection of hopeful beliefs. Then kindle my thought process by stimulating my curiosity. Or how about I undress you? Slowly taking off every layer of your outer appearance so that it's easier for me to get inside your spirit. I spit verse after verse of this prolific game. I will unbutton your wonders as you unzip my questions as we commence the foreplay en route to ecstasy intellectually. I'm getting higher and higher and this feeling is so intense. Your knowledge is so very arousing, so let's discuss history, anthropology, philosophy. Let's converse on art, politics, world crisis, your dreams and such things. Touch. Our bodies attract. The affection, the respect, the values of the volumes are wrapping my heart into yours. The moods, the candlelight rose petals, guiding your destination to the setting. The bedroom showers, on top of counters, we encounter the tones. The feelings of I needs, coiling with emotions, I spring for you. Your lips of one mind, kissing with honesty, caressing possibilities, cherishing destiny, because with you I'm better. So, preserve perfect, truly unconditional forever. So please believe me when I tell you it takes a not-so-average woman to teach me the forbidden thrust of this deep stroke of lustful thrust of penetrating, mind-blowing, attractive stimulation. Thank you.